If you're in the mood to be naughty and save Santa a trip, put away your budget Spider-Man costume from Halloween and start Christmas season off right with oatmeal cookie shots. Today we're going to show you how to make a cocktail that Mrs. Claus likes to whip up after the nice boys and girls go to sleep. Start by combining equal parts Jagermeister, Bailey's Irish Cream, Butterscotch schnapps, and Goldschlager into a mixing glass. Add ice. Shake it up till it's cold as winter snow. Decorate your martini or shot glass with oatmeal cookie crumbles. Pour and serve with holiday cheer. Now smash that like button, comment your favorite holiday cocktail, and subscribe for more. Merry Christmas.